Good morning. Thanks for joining Milestone for our weekly 15-minute webinar. My name is Melissa Labelle, and today I'll be talking about Hestan ranges. Don't forget to stay tuned till the end for your chance to win $150 in our random live drawing. I wanted to start by setting the stage with a short video with words of culinary wisdom by Chef Thomas Keller. Chef Keller is an Good morning. Thanks for joining Milestone for our weekly 15-minute webinar. My name is Melissa Labelle, and today I'll be talking about Hestan ranges. Don't forget to stay tuned till the end for your chance to win $150 in our random live drawing. I wanted to start by setting the stage with a short video with words of culinary wisdom by Chef Thomas Keller. Chef Keller is an acclaimed James Beard award-winning chef who owns famed restaurant French Laundry in Napa Valley.
One of the things I'm most proud of is our young chefs. They are committed, dedicated to the craft. It's my responsibility as the chef de cuisine, the owner, to make sure they have the proper tools, the right equipment to do their jobs. So not only do the chefs have to find their purpose by the work that they're doing, by the challenges they overcome, but also all of our equipment has to have a pure purpose. And the most important thing is that the interaction between the chef and the equipment is seamless. It all comes down to performance. One of the most important things that Hestan did was actually to work with chefs to re-engineer the home kitchen. What's unique about Hestan Indoor is it's a commercial crossover from what we designed for professional chefs. It's now purpose-built for the home chef. Hestan Indoor feels very similar to what we use in our restaurants. The details of Hestan Indoor, the knobs, the handles, the oven racks, have been engineered for professional use. The burners are actually the same as we have in our restaurants. These are the most powerful burners you'll ever find on any home range. This is really a commercial crossover for the home chef. In our kitchens, we need power, we need durability, we need them to perform. And this is the same thing that we're offering you at home now, is the ability to have what we have in our kitchens. We all must realize that cooking is a very simple equation. It's about ingredients and execution. It's about your skill as a chef, but it's also about your tools and your equipment and how important they are. One of the things I'm always talking about is making sure that you have the proper tools, that you have the best equipment possible to be able to perform the task.
Okay, well, that looked pretty delicious. All right, well, Chef Keller talked about using the right tools. He emphasized the importance of having power, performance, design, and durability. Hestan has taken those essential commercial elements and translated them into beautiful residential ranges. As you can see here, the left photo is a photo of a Hestan commercial suite, which you'd find in a high-end restaurant. And on the right side, you see our Hestan residential ranges. And I'm going to go through some of the crossover features. And you'll notice both of these are designed and built in the same factory in Southern California. So they're literally using the same exact features on the residential side. Here's a quick rundown of the entire Hestan range offering. So we've got 5 dual fuel ranges and 5 all gas ranges, plus 12 range finishes for a total of 120 range options. I'll be focusing on the key features that distinguish Hestan ranges from any other brand in the market. Let's start with perhaps the most unique feature, which is the award-winning 30,000 BTU CircuFlame burner. It's the most powerful residential burner in the industry, and it is literally identical to the one that's used in their commercial range. It's made in the same factory and is the same exact burner. But as Chef Keller mentioned, It's the array of tools that chefs need to be able to create culinary masterpieces. Simmering capabilities are equally important as the high BTU outputs. Once again, Hestan range burners rise to the occasion. Whether it's melting chocolate or butter or simmering a delicate sauce, the 4 dual flow burners that you'll find on every single Hestan range will meet your needs with their continuous, gentle 500 BTU simmer setting. So let's take a look at the incredible scope of the Hestan gas burner capabilities. What you're seeing here is that 30,000 BTU CircuFlame burner in the middle, all brass. It's a single flow burner, and the low on this one would be 4,200 BTUs. Every range features 2 23,000 BTU burners in the front, and you'll notice those are dual flow. There's an inner ring and an outer ring, and 2 15,000 BTU burners in the rear, also dual flow. And those 4 burners all have that incredibly low continuous 500 BTU simmer setting. Yet another cooking tool that's available on certain range models is going to be that gas griddle. It's an infrared burner that's 15,000 BTUs, and it's thermostatically controlled for very precise temperatures. Temperatures range from 120 to 500 degrees. And as you can see, it's a gorgeous stainless steel, a 1/4 inch thick, and it has a removable drip tray at the front. Imagine being able to create your own fajita fiesta right in your own home, or your favorite diner-inspired breakfast. A commercial grade griddle inspires a whole new world of culinary possibilities. And you'll notice at the lower right corner that on the 48-inch ranges, you can get either the 12-inch wide or the 24-inch wide griddle option. So the 24-inch wide option will have 2 of the 15,000 BTU burners underneath there. And all of them come with a sleek stainless steel cover. Let's take a look at some of the other options. So we've got these gorgeous backlit knobs, which are both functional and beautiful. Once you turn a knob, it's going to light up. You can see it lights up not only from behind, but also in the front. So it looks gorgeous, but it also lets you know if there is a burner or an oven on. You'll also notice the marquee design here, and also on that handle that Chef Keller referred to. That is literally the same professional handle and end cap that's used on their commercial ranges. The Zamac die cast knobs are important because when you're using equipment frequently, which of course you will be once you have this gorgeous range, you want something that's sturdy. This has a high tensile strength and is corrosion resistant, and is used on their commercial products as well. So let's review the features of the dual fuel ranges. Most notably, before we even open those gorgeous soft closed doors, you're going to see the exclusive touch control display right here. And I chose the 48-inch photo so that you can see that you get the display both on the companion oven and the main oven. So what you're seeing right here is one of many different things that you'd see depending on what you were actually doing. So you know that it's in convection broil right now. It is at a temperature of 425 degrees, and there is a meat probe in there as well, which is one of the features of the main ovens of our dual fuel ranges. This little guy over here is going to be a menu that you can scroll through. So this becomes touch control the minute that you actually touch the readout. And you can actually scroll through and do some more sophisticated things like pre-timing or just different high-end functions that'll allow you to cook easily and see what's going on just by glancing down at this beautiful display. This oven features a pure vection technology, which is actually an electronically controlled system that offers multiple convection capabilities to give you the best cooking environment possible for any given item that you're trying to cook. Notice the extra large windows. This is something that you actually don't see in commercial ranges because any chef knows that a chef should only really open the door twice, once to put your items in and once to take them out. But us home chefs, we like to look. So having the extra large window is going to be really awesome to be able to see everything without opening that door and losing all of the heat. As I mentioned, there is a meat probe in the main oven, which is an awesome feature and takes the guesswork out of cooking. You're also going to get 3 commercial grade glide out racks, which will make any cooking experience very easy, particularly over the holidays when you've got those extra heavy pans and you're managing a lot of different things. You'll notice that the ranges come with an island trim standard, not like what you see here. However, these two are options. The 10-inch back guard, which you see in the left photo, and also on the lower right, we've got a 20-inch back guard that has the shelf as well. So those are both options. Let's move on to the all gas ranges. What you won't see here is that marquee readout. That is exclusive to the dual fuel ranges. But the all gas ranges have some amazing features as well. So what you'll find is the same luxurious soft closed doors, and you'll also have those extra large windows for easy viewing. Inside, you will have 3 commercial grade racks that are literally the identical racks to the ones that are used on the commercial ranges. If you wanted to upgrade, you could order glide out racks for the gas ranges as well. But I think my favorite feature of the gas oven is going to be that incredibly powerful 20,000 BTU infrared broiler. So that would allow you to actually create seared steaks just like you'd find in your favorite steakhouse. It's truly remarkable. I feel like people don't use broilers enough. If you had this 20,000 BTU infrared broiler, you would find so many fantastic uses for it. I know I do my steaks that way, and it's literally unbeatable. They're truly remarkable. So the focus of today's presentation was ranges, but Hestan offers a full suite of kitchen appliances, from dishwashers to warming drawers, refrigerators to wall ovens, and everything in between. So please visit hestanhome.com to see the incredible consumer rewards program that's going on now through the end of the year. This a la carte program not only offers cash rebates, but you can also choose from products and wine and culinary experiences. Hestan stands behind its commitment to quality, durability, and performance by offering an ironclad 3-year full parts and labor warranty on all indoor appliances. I'm sure you'd agree with Chef Thomas Keller that Hestan has put all the commercial power, the design, and the durability into their residential ranges so that you can perform to your maximum culinary potential in your very own Hestan kitchen. So please get with your local sales rep for details on all Hestan products, including both indoor and outdoor kitchen. And be sure to ask them about the new Build Your Kitchen, which is found in the Designer tab of the website. Thanks so much for joining me this morning. I hope I've tantalized you enough to get onto the website and see more and to call your reps to learn more about the products. And Jen, I'm going to turn it over to you to do that $150 drawing. Thanks so much.